To use your AirProbe with the Tappecue Touch, you would take the probe out of the charger, and it's automatically going to connect to the Tappecue Touch. Once it's connected, you'll leave this in range. Then on your phone, you're going to do Start Session. Name your session. I'm going to name it Test. Next. Add your probes. Because this is a dual sensor probe, meaning there's a meat temperature and an air temperature. And you take the switch that says dual sensor splitter. Your meat will be first. Your chamber will be next. Save. If you have more probes, you would hit the plus. I'm just going to do next. Set alerts for my phone. Start session. And then you can go anywhere and view session